Welcome back, everyone. My name is Joel Feld, and today I just want to say thank you. Thank you to everyone who has commented, watched, supported all of my content that I've created so far. I know I've seen some comments asking, hey, where's Joel? Where has he been? Are you still creating content? The answer is yes, I am still creating content. And as you can see from behind me, I have a totally new setup. So the past few months, actually the past couple of years, my wife, family, and I have been living in a townhouse all together, all 6 of us, and it's been a little bit cramped. We finally have moved recently, and I am now have a legitimate space dedicated for my office at home, which is fantastic, which means I don't have to set up all of my gear at the kitchen table anymore, which the whole family appreciates. So I am planning to create a whole bunch of new content. I already have some videos recorded, and hopefully I can do it more consistently. Even though this is not my primary job, this is something I love to do, and being able to read through the comments and help other people out there across the entire world is really, really enjoyable for me. So I just want to say thank you for getting me above that 30,000 subscriber point, the views, everything. I'm very appreciative of that, and I just want to thank all of you. And I am coming back, so stay tuned and there'll be more content to come. So thank you again for all of your support, and we'll see you soon.